Individuals needing to put resources into digital currencies could think purchasing a coin requires truckload of cash. The high worth of coins like Bitcoin and Ether could make it unimaginable for new fledglings to purchase crypto coins. By the by, there are different coins that you can find at a worth of under $1. However, these coins could have an ostensible worth. They may be worth very much more later on. Dissimilar to Bitcoin and Ether, you can purchase these coins in huge amounts. In 2020, the DeFi token, AMP, is supposed to essentially affect the worldwide economy, in addition to the fact that it is a computerized token. Yet it likewise goes about as an installment passage for clients on the Flexa organization. Not at all like other digital forms of money. It is viewed as a class separated because of its starting point and execution. One crypto coin that has grabbed financial backers' eye is AMP. Albeit the AMP coin experienced high points and low points in the earlier years, yet has assisted financial backers with getting a 16% return on initial capital investment up till now. We should jump into the coin's outline to see more about it. AMP is a kind of cryptographic money with unexpected usefulness in comparison to different coins on the lookout. It goes about as guarantee, and the Flexa organization involves the digital money for its help. The coin can prove to be useful to cover the monetary exchanges that can turn out badly. Today, the AMP cost is $0. It has a 24-hour exchanging volume of more than $3,417,970. As of now, the digital money has lost 7.21%. Its ongoing business sector cap is $144,514,390, and it has a circling supply of over 42,227,701,186 units. While the coin's worth isn't excessively high, an ideal decision for individuals need to begin with a modest quantity of cash. Crypto coins are without a doubt a hazardous market, yet it offers fabulous revisitations of financial backers. Thus, coins like AMP are great for individuals who need to put resources into crypto with negligible speculation. AMP Value Expectation 2023. The different cost forecast devices demonstrate that the typical exchanging cost will remain around the 2 cents mark in 2023. According to our investigation, the typical exchanging cost of the AMP coin will probably be between 1 cent to 1 cent. On the off chance that the market opinions are positive, the AMP coin's cost can go as high as 1 cent. On the other side, on the off chance that the market keeps on remaining negative, the most minimal cost of the coin can slip to 1 cent. 2023 may be a decent year for the crypto market as we hope to see a few standards and guidelines for digital currencies. New guidelines will give a lot more secure biological system to individuals hoping to enter the crypto market, alongside different advantages. In particular, it will likewise lessen the unpredictability on the lookout. Notwithstanding, these things are still being worked on and could happen at some point or another. Thus, until further notice, the unpredictability will keep on remaining in the crypto markets. Financial backers ought to zero in on exploring more about AMP coin and the market patterns to figure out the effect on its cost. AMP Value Forecast 2024. The first and second quarters of 2024 will choose where the cost will arrive at before the year's over. Specialists have an inspirational perspective for the AMP coin's cost as the digital currency reception rate increment. In any case, individuals needing to put resources into AMP ought to likewise watch out for the steadily changing crypto market elements. Since there are no proportions or execution measurements, the most ideal way to decide the conceivable coin cost is by watching the economic situations. The quick and solid nature of the AMP environment is supposed to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. This could permit it to acquire a cost of 11 cents per coin. Assuming that the interest for useful digital currencies keeps on rising, the cost of AMP may likewise go up. As per the organization's cost expectation for 2023, creating a gain from putting resources into the cryptocurrency is conceivable. AMP cost expectation 2025. In the event that digital forms of money become a huge piece of the monetary framework, it will assist the AMP with begettings worth to increment in 2025. Many organizations have a guide to acknowledge crypto coins as a method of installment for their labor and products. Furthermore, the job of the metaverse and advanced resources will likewise affect the crypto market. There are different hypotheses about the fate of AMP, albeit the innovative headways that the organization has been working on are supposed to decidedly affect cryptographic money. It's as yet conceivable to foresee that it will reach 14 cents. The fundamental factors that have added to the cost of AMP are its adaptability and security highlights. The group behind AMP has made a special and strong framework that is equipped for taking care of various sorts of exchanges. Throughout the following 2 or 3 years, the cryptographic money is supposed to acquire a lot of significant worth and arrive at a most extreme cost of 17 cents in 2025. We saw a blast in the costs of different digital currencies, including AMP, because of the great prominence of NFTs. Clients can buy these advanced resources through cryptographic forms of money. On the off chance that more developments like these come up by 2025, there is plausible that crypto coins like the AMP can see a critical expansion in their worth. AMP Long Haul Gauge 2030. When we discuss AMP coins' drawn-out conjecture for 2030, financial backers should comprehend that it's trying to anticipate an exact cost figure. The crypto market has a rundown of unpredictable variables that can influence the coin's worth, and subsequently, the cost really relies on how these elements will turn out in 2030. By the by, we have investigated the cost expectations from different simulated intelligence-controlled instruments. The market is supposed to turn ideal in the following 2 or 3 years, and it's feasible to anticipate that the cost of AMP will increment essentially. This will permit the cryptographic money to break all boundaries and arrive at another high. AMP can be remembered for a financial backer's portfolio because of its anticipated cost increment. The digital currency's strong savvy contracts are likewise expected to assist it with acquiring a lot of significant worth. It's feasible to expect its cost to reach 19 cents toward the finish of 2026. Rather than zeroing in on the transient venture, specialists in the field of digital currency like to zero in on the drawn-out objectives. With a touch of tolerance and a serious level of positive thinking, financial backers can expect a circle back in the drawn-out worth of AMP by 2027. As the reception of digital money keeps on developing, it's normal that it will end up being a huge player on the lookout. The AMP coin cost has seen different highs and lows over the past couple of years. While the coin saw a progressive decrease in the initial not many months after its send-off, it saw a consistent ascent in its worth till the second quarter of 2021. The AMP coin's cost hopped from $0 the main 7-day stretch of January to around 7 cents by May 2021. From that point forward, the AMP coin's worth saw a sharp downfall, plunging to 39 cents inside the following couple of weeks. The coin lost around half of its worth from May 2021 to June 2021, preceding seeing a spike again in June. It arrived at an unsurpassed high worth of 12 cents on June 16, 2021. Nonetheless, it before long crashed following half a month and was at 4 cents in the third 7-day stretch of July 2021. In the beyond 8 to 9 months, the coin has been going through a negative market. Specialists accept the coin could bounce back when the market recuperates from the ongoing auction. AMP execution 2022. The crypto market experienced gigantic development in 2021, and it caused the coins like AMP to build their worth essentially. In any case, it is right now encountering a descending direction for the initial half year of 2022. The coin's worth was 5 cents in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2022. In 2022, AMP exchanged around the 1 cent mark, addressing a fall of around 4 cents in its worth. The new crypto and tech auction add to this AMP coin's cost fall. Financial backers have taken out a lot of cash from the crypto market. Thus, it has placed tension on the whole market, causing the costs of AMP coins to fall. Indeed, even coins like Bitcoin and Ether saw a gigantic decrease in their qualities. In any case, specialists are certain the market will bounce back as financial backers begin to recover trust in the crypto market. AMP expectation. And while the AMP coin is presently encountering a descending direction, specialists accept it can possibly see development. The coin delighted in ceaseless increments all through 2021, responding